It was mid-December when the first doses of the vaccine were administered in America, and since then we're learning more about the virus and about new variants. Tonight, NBC 26's Eric Krest looks into when those who got vaccinated might consider getting a booster shot.
Researchers have found that both the Moderna and the Pfizer vaccinations start to lose some of their effectiveness after 6 months. And with the emergence of the Delta variant, there's a lot of unknowns in terms of how long a vaccination will offer protection.
We don't know what that time cutoff level is. You really won't know that until you've reached it.
Dr. Ashok Rai, the president of Prevea Health, says booster shots for those who have already received their first round of vaccinations are likely a ways out.
We wouldn't know what dose to give you today, especially if you've completed a 2-shot series.
Dr. Rai says right now scientists aren't as focused on how long a vaccination will be most effective, but rather,
it may not be what we've been giving you so far.
Scientists are thinking in terms of how new and modified vaccinations could better protect the public from the ever-changing virus.
We don't know what variant is next. We don't know if there'll even be another variant if we can control this one.
And with many people in Wisconsin fully vaccinated now for over 6 months, medical leaders like Dr. Rai say research and additional data will help determine when people could get an additional shot.
Likely, I would think a booster would be more tailored to what we haven't seen yet, what we might see, versus a booster really around length of immunity.
In Green Bay, Eric Krest, NBC 26.
Thank you, Eric. And remember, if you need to find a testing location, a vaccination site, or information on schools requiring masks this fall, you can head to NBC26.com/news/coronavirus.